Hello student, welcome to Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences Indore. Here, this is Kritika Sharma and today I am going to start. The topic is semi-solid dosage form. So firstly, what is semi-solid dosage form? Pharmaceutical semi-solid dosage preparation is included ointments, pastilles, cream, plasters, gel and rigid form. They contain one or more active ingredient dissolved or uniformly dispersed in a suitable base, and any suitable excipient such as emulsifier, viscosity increasing agent, antimicrobial agents, antioxidant or stabilizing agent, etc. Semisolids are the topical dosage form. Is used for the therapeutic, protective or cosmetic function. They may be applied to the skin or used nasally, vaginally or rectally. Then the advantage of semi-solid dosage form. It is used that externally, its probability of the side effect can be reduced. First pass gut and hepatic metabolism is avoided. Fourth is local action and site of specific action of the drug on the affected area. Fifth is convenient for the unconscious patient or patient having difficulty on oral administration. Sixth, suitable dosage form for the bitter drug. And seventh advantage is more stable than a liquid dosage form. Then the disadvantage of semi-solid dosage form. First is there is no dosage accuracy in this type of dosage form. The base which used in a semi-solid dosage form can be easily oxidized. Third is may causes the staining. Fourth is they are bulky to handle. Fifth, application with the finger may causes the contamination. Sixth, physiochemical less stable than a solid dosage form. And seventh is may causes the irritation or allergy to the some patient. Then the explain what is the formulation of semi-solid dosage form. The ingredients used in a preparation is first base, second preservative, third is humectants, fourth antioxidant, fifth emulsifier, sixth gelling agent, seventh permeation enhancer, and 8 is buffers. First is bases. It is one of the most important ingredients used in a formulation of the semi-solid dosage form. Ointment bases do not merely act as a carrier of the medicaments, but they also control the extent of absorption of medicaments incorporated in them. Classification of the bases. The ointment bases are classified in a USP into the 4 general groups. First is hydrocarbon bases, is also known as oleaginous bases. Is the example of hydrocarbon bases petroleum, paraffin and linolene. Second is absorption bases. Is the example of absorption bases is cold cream, anhydrous, linolene. And third is water removal bases, is also known as oil in water. And the water soluble basis is example of polyethylene glycol. Second is permeation enhancer. Skin act as a barrier with the introduction of various penetration enhancer. The penetration of the drug through the skin can be improved. Example of permeation enhancer is oleic acid. Third is emulsifier. An emulsifier is a substance that stabilizes an emulsion by increasing its kinetic stability. It must reduce the surface tension for the proper emulsification and prevents of the coalescence and ability to increase the viscosity at the low concentration. The example of emulsifying agent is sodium chloride sulfate. Can use the oil in water emulsion and sodium stearate and calcium stearate. And third is glycerol monostearate, is a weak water in oil emulsifying agent and used as a stabilized agent and emulsions in oil in water emulsion. Fourth is humectants. A humectant is hygroscopic substance. As humectants are used to increase the solubility of the active ingredients to elevate the skin penetration and elevate the hydration of the skin. Fifth is buffers. Buffers are added the various purpose such as compatibility the skin, drug stability, drug solubility, and influence the ionization of the drug. Its skin due to the weak acidic in nature is tolerate the weak acidic penetration. For example of the buffer is sodium acetate, sodium citrate, and potassium acetate. Then the antimicrobial preservatives. To inhibit the growth of the contaminating microorganism, to so require the addition of the chemical antimicrobial preservative to the formulation. Example of the antimicrobial preservatives is para-hydroxybenzoate, phenols, benzoic acid, sorbic acid, quaternary ammonium salts, and other. The semi-solid dosage form is included is ointments. The first ointments are homogeneous, translucent, viscous semi-solid dose preparation. Is most commonly greasy, thick oil. Oil is contained the 80%, water is 20%, and intended for the external application to the skin mucous membrane. They are used as emollients, protective, therapeutic, and prophylactic purpose. Second is cream. Creams are the homogeneous semi-solid preparation is consisting of opaque emulsion is contain the lipophilic emulsifying agent and their intensity is depend on the type of emulsion, either water in oil or oil in water, and on the nature of the solid in the internal phase. The cream are intended for the application to the skin or certain mucous membrane for protective, therapeutic, and prophylactic purposes. Third is gel. Gel are homogeneous, clear, semi-solid system is consisting of the dispersion of small or large molecule in an aqueous liquid vehicles. Is rendered jelly-like by the addition of gelling agent. Gel are the aqueous colloidal suspension of the hydrated form of the insoluble medicaments and used for the medication and lubrication. The example of gelling agent is among the gelling agent used synthetic macromolecules such as the carbomer 934, cellulose derivative as carboxymethylcellulose, hydroxypropyl methylcellulose, and natural gum such as regacanth. These are the marketed products of the ointments, cream, and the gel. Thank you.